Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how to construct a rectangle. It's yet another construction method. So we have a rectangle called ABCD, where AB is 7 centimeters, BC 4 centimeters, CD 7 centimeters, and DA 4 centimeters. So they give us all the side lengths. We're first quickly going to do a rough sketch. Remember, these rough sketches all count marks. So it's just really rough, but you use a ruler. So it doesn't have to be according to scale, just so that you see what's happening. So we have A, B at the bottom, then C, and then D. So we know AB is 7 centimeters, BC 4 centimeters, CD 7 centimeters again, and then DA 4 centimeters. So that's just to give us a rough idea of what we need to be doing. So we're going to start with the bottom one, AB. So that is 7 centimeters. So you just take your ruler, just make long enough line. Okay. Just make sure that it's longer than 7 centimeters. So you're going to make a mark, and you're going to call that A. That's point A. But now you have to take your compass. So now we need to know, or now we know that from A to B is 7 centimeters. So you're going to take your ruler and your compass, and you're going to measure 7 centimeters on it. And please remember that this must be accurate. So be very careful. Make sure that your pencil of your compass is sharp, so that it's as accurate as possible. So sometimes it just takes a bit of effort just to get it exactly right. There we go. Make sure you don't move anything. It's in the perfect position. Then you place the tip of your compass on point A and you make an arc. So that is where point B will be. So that is the 7 centimeters. Now we need to go from B. What do we know about a rectangle? We know that each angle is a 90-degree angle. So we need to use our construction method to draw a 90-degree angle. So remember, how do we do that? Just open up your compass. Let's say this is the distance. You're going to keep this distance the same. You're going to make a mark on either side of point B without moving your compass, the position. Then you're going to open it up slightly further, and then you're going to place the tip of your compass on both of the marks on either side of B without moving this distance on the compass. So you make one arc like that. You keep the distance the same, don't do anything, but place the tip of the compass on the other side of B, and then make your other arc. Then what you do is you need to join that point, that intersection of the arcs with point B. So then we know that this is a 90-degree angle here. Okay. And then we can do exactly the same for point A. Okay, so here we have point A. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to extend the line, the horizontal line on the other side of A, so that we have enough space to do our construction method. So let's just see if I can squeeze it in here. Remember to keep this distance the same. On either side, on both sides of A, you make a mark. Then you open it up slightly bigger, and then you place it on both of those marks using the same distance and creating arcs and making sure that those arcs intersect. Okay, and then once again, that one, that intersection, you have to connect with point A. Okay, and what do we know about DA and BC? They are 4 centimeters, so we're now going to measure 4 centimeters on our ruler. There we have it. Make sure that it's very accurate. You place the tip of your compass on point B, you make a mark, and you do the same at point A, also using the 4 centimeters. So that will give us point number C and point number D, and the only thing that's left is that we need to connect these 2 marks to complete our rectangle. And there we have our rectangle. We know that all of these angles will be 90 degrees. Thanks for watching, guys.